Oh!
That's it, you right there. It is.
That's right, that's right.
That's it.
That's a real anvil.
So you have to heat the metal up really
Yeah,
hard.
I'm scary.
You want to see that? So look, go all the way.
You're doing great.
Stand in front of Simon. Don't knock anybody over, please.
You're doing great.
Otto, can you let Colton see in front of
Throw
you?
our anvil. Okay, more burning.
Now I'm going to curl the end of that over.
Okay, guys. This is getting.
That's the kids'
Oh,
turn.
that's dangerous. That lava. That's lava. It's dangerous.
You can get hurt pretty quick.
Yeah. And that is an anvil.
That's the anvil right there.
Yeah, and a hammer. Three anvils.
Welcome to.
Three anvils. Oh, good job. Oh, look.
Isn't that crazy? That's how they built all the tools.
You're doing a great job. Keep going, okay? You're doing so great. That looks like a crowbar.
Good, I keep that carrot.
That looks like a crowbar.
There, we got that little curly Q done.
So cool.
Now we're gonna put that big bit in it, make a real hook out of it.
Okay.
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
You're doing a super great
Are we heading in the
job.
right direction?
A great
Yeah.
job. Good job.
That's exactly like what you're talking
Ooh.
about.
What are you?
Oh.
What are you? Coat
He's making what?
hooks.
Coat hooks? Oh, wow.
I could use like 8 for home.
Yeah. Put in your water.
And it's not made in China.
Yeah.
It's made in America.
It can burn your hand.
It's pretty easy
Carrot
to.
free.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna put that big bend into it, make it a real hook, okay?
Oh, good.
Well,
What did you
This is going to be so awesome.
Yeah,
I kind of like this.
Oh.
Ooh, that's really hot.
Yep, sure is 2,000 degrees.
2,000.
Yep, 2,000.
2,000 is a lot.
That's a lot.
You did it. You're making it into a real hook.
There we go. So far, so good. Hands up, kids.
Good job, dude.
Now, turn this one off.
You